Hey guys, are you looking for your dream home? We can help. Your property specialist. We will make it easy and help you to save time and money. Stay tuned, for this property might be your dream home. Naghahanap ka ba ng maganda, fully finished, 100% flood-free, may sunset at overlooking view pa? Dito lang yan sa Homeward Home Village. This is located along Tanawin Road, Barangay Tungkumanga, City of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Just 2 kilometers away, SM San Jose, meron ka ng maganda at tahimik na community na napapaligiran ng mga puno.
Gate, guardhouse and landmarks.
Sunset at Homeward.
New model townhouse.
Aries single attached.
Virgo single attached. Reserve yours now.
Welcome to the Aris model. This is our single attached unit here in Homeward Home Village. So we have a floor area of 49 square meter at yung ating lot area ay nag-vary depende sa location ng ating property. So let's check. So this is our main door, our main entrance. Directly connecting of course sa ating living area. So ito yung ating magiging sala, no? Ayan, so we also have some windows, no? Doon sa side na yon. At dito sa side na to para maging ventilation. Right? And probably sa area na to, dito ito ang gagawin nating dining area, which is connected sa ating kitchen. Now we have, of course, our lavatory, we have the faucet, and included na ating mga under-counter cabinets. In this portion naman, meron tayong toilet and bath. Supposedly, powder room lang to, pero out of generosity ng developer, nilagyan na nila ng shower fixtures. Of course, we have the water closet, meron ditong tissue holder, meron soap holder, meron lavatory with faucet. So, kompleto na as toilet and bath. Alright? So, this portion naman, makikita natin, meron tayo ditong butas. Most probably, ito yung ating magiging stock room. No? Pwedeng lagyan natin ng mga cabinet dyan para nakatago din yung ating mga cabinet. And this is our service door connecting to our service area. Most probably, ito yung magiging pwedeng dirty kitchen, pwedeng laundry, no? Ayan, so napakahangin po as you can see. Alright, so this is our area. Pwedeng makaikot doon si buyer. Alright, this is not our stairs, no? This is again made of concrete. May mga stopper din, no? At hindi siya skiddy, hindi siya madulas, no? We also have our steel handrails. I think these are tubulars. This is our way to our second floor. And on this part, this is the biggest room. So I think this is the master bedroom. So ito yung ating master bedroom. No, malaki yung ating kwarto. We have 2 big windows doon sa different side. No, for ventilation, of course, no. At parang presto sa loob. Okay? So we have here our second bedroom. No, meron din siyang dalawang bintana for ventilation. Ayan, napakahangin. No, napakahangin dito sa area. And of course, we have our common toilet and bath. So we have here, of course, ang ating water closet, ang ating lavatory with faucet. Meron tayong shower fixtures, we have the shower head, and of course, meron tayo ditong ventilation. Okay? And dito naman sa portion na to, of course, this is our downstairs. No, and napakataas na ating ceiling, no? Pwede tayong mag-install ng chandeliers, ng aesthetic lamps, no? Dito sa area. Yan, so napakataas. Once again, let's have another look ng ating ground floor. Talaga naman napaka-aliwalas. And of course, no, for lighting and ventilation, andyan yung mga bintana natin. Again, this is our Aris model here in Homeward Home Village. For those who are interested, kung may mga tanong, No, just contact 0991-483-4029, Marlon of Owal Homes Realty. Tara, we will bring you home.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit like, comment, and share para updated kayo sa mga post ko. Thank you! Let's go in finding your dream home.